Next, turn the crochet fabric and start to work row 3. In row 3, we first work 1 slip stitch. Insert hook into the next stitch. Hook the yarn and pull up a loop through the stitch. Then pull the first loop on hook through the second one. That's 1 slip stitch. Place a marker in this first stitch. Then we need to work 20 single crochets. Okay, now the last single crochet in this marked stitch. Then work 1 chain stitch. Row 3 is finished. Then turn the crochet fabric and start to work row 4. Work 1 single crochet first. Then place a marker in the first stitch. Next, work 19 single crochets in the back loop O-ring of the stitches. That's the back loop of the stitch. The hook will O-ring go through the back loop of each stitch. Insert hook into the next stitch from center to the back. Pull up a loop through the stitch, yarn around hook, pull through both loops on hook. Okay, continue working single crochets. The hook will O-ring go through the back loop of the stitches. "19 single crochets are finished. Then work 1 slip stitch in the last stitch. Please note the slip stitch is worked into the regular stitch. That's a slip stitch. Then work 1 chain stitch. Row 4 is finished. Turn the crochet fabric and start to work row 5. First, work 1 slip stitch. Once slip stitch is done, place a marker in the first stitch. Next, we work 1 single crochet. Then work 18 half double crochets. That's 1 half double crochet. Continue to finish the remaining 17 half double crochets. Eighteen half double crochets are finished. Then work 1 single crochet in the last stitch. Then 1 chain stitch. Row 5 is finished. Turn the crochet fabric and start row 6 by working 20 single crochets first. Work 1 single crochet in each of the following 20 stitches. Place a marker in the first stitch. Twenty single crochets are finished. Then work 1 slip stitch in the last stitch. Then 1 chain stitch. Row 6 is finished. In row 7, turn the crochet fabric and first work 1 slip stitch. Okay, then we work 19 single crochets in back loop only of the stitches. The hook will only go through the back loop of the stitches. We work 19 single crochets. 19 single crochets are finished. Then work 1 single crochet in the last stitch. Now we need to work into a regular stitch, which means the hook will go through both loops of the stitch. Finally, 1 chain stitch. Row 7 is finished.